guys, Jolene, welcome back to the 1 Minute Win series with our Printify Print on Demand store. So our store is empty, as you can see, and the next thing we need to do is make some designs. There's two places I'm going to recommend to do it. You can come to Creative Fabrica. I'll put a link with a QR code here right for you and a link in the video description. You have to make changes to the designs. So read the fine print, buy the level of subscription that works for you, and then read all the terms and services. Creative Fabrica makes it very obvious what you can and cannot resell. You can't just take somebody's artwork, resell it as your own. So don't do that. That's cheating. But the second place you can go is right into Canva. And if in this example, I just typed in mug template. Look at all these different mug templates that come up. Again, with Canva, make changes to the designs. Make sure you read the fine print for what you can and cannot sell. And then upload these designs onto products in your new Printify pop-up shop. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you more.